Hello my people, now welcome back to my channel. I'm una girl Sandra Inoke, and today I bring one story come for una. But before we go start this story, I want una help me subscribe, wanna like, and wanna share, and also wanna comment on our own opinion. He get one Islamic cleric, popularly known as Imam of Peace. He don't come outside, he don't blast our president. Now even the trend for Nigeria Twitter right now, as from yesterday, can reach now. This man don't come outside. He don't talk so many things about our president Buhari. He don't call her he don't call her so many things. When we say we Nigeria self, we still know even before this man go come talk this matter like this. The man don't tell Buhari, our president come outside, come address Nigeria. If he be say really he no get this virus when be say they go on. When I remember say before Buhari even come outside to even address the nation, when this breakout, when this outbreak come outside, this coronavirus no come outside. Now no say it take time before Buhari come outside to come address the nation. It takes so many time before he come outside. All people, all presidents around the world, all of them they come outside to address. Even some self, I see some video about this Russia president. When he go where he say these things will they happen. Even where this virus will come outside, China, we see the man come outside, but it take our president time before he address. One of the they talk say to address the nation, not be the president style. I don't understand. Not be president style. Now waiting all countries they do. Now waiting all countries they come outside their president to their governor. Now waiting all of them they come. Waiting make our president never come outside. Before he can't come outside, can't talk. He can't address the nation. And see yet, even the address when he address said, he never sit down with some people. No awareness concerning this issue. At the end now say that they won't put lockdown for all states. Now me they ask, what will be the provision when they grant before this lockdown will happen? What will be the provision? Waiting our government don't provide for us when we say we don't see. Because I know that some countries before they go put lockdown, they don't put provision down. Really, I don't really blame this man when he talk this word. So I don't really blame him, really. But no matter how the truth they bitter reach, the truth must be said. They must always talk truth, no matter as it be. We as a Nigerian, we know say all these things. So now wait till we don't observe. The man come outside say, if really say Buhari not get this virus, make it come outside, make it talk for video. Not be all this picture when they do now. You see some picture when we say Buhari dey office. They say he dey office, he don't go back to office. Or I've been at the picture when we see when they Photoshop mask for Buhari face, but he dey shake somebody. All this propaganda, it no go work anything. All this damage control, I don't know who now they try to prove to. We get the right as a Nigerian to know if our president is infected or not. Not be waiting the come. We get the right to know. If the chief of staff, he get the virus, everybody know. We get the right to still know if Buhari, while now they use picture. That they say to address the nation, not be Buhari style. Now one of the responsibility when you be say you dey office to address your people, because we elect people for them. We need to know. It's our right to know. We dey see one case where they say Senate president, na Lawan they call the guy name, I don't know. Say they say make government put in place all this relief stuff for citizens. Now what we need? And thank God say some people said don't they even they donate some big men for the country, they don't they donate. but we really want maybe say those money wey be say una dey donate, so we really want maybe say e reach the poor people. We no want maybe say one big man for your office go divert the fund. We really want make e reach the poor people wey be say they no get, if they put lockdown, they need to go farm, they need to go anywhere, they need to go market. We really want maybe say this money reach their hand. Not be one oga when be say go dey in charge of this cash, go divide and go in family. We really want maybe say this money reach, because this case, so this virus, so it don't pass everywhere. People are dying. People they die every day concerning this virus. We need to put down enough awareness so that people will know concerning this virus. The virus don't they grow already for Nigeria already, don't they grow? As I first talk for my last video, I say the same way we say people when they contest for election, that they go share rice, share all those things. Mona still share hand sanitizer, give these people wey be say they never still really believe say this virus dey. Some people never still believe say this virus dey. Some people just they say na lie, maybe they won't, but this virus is real. It's real. People are dying every day. People they die from this virus. They say when they share those things, when I see share all those hand sanitizer, mask, and all even soap. First of all, why I talk am is that Nigeria not get good health care. If they not do one like that, they not create more awareness for concerning this virus, this pandemic too. You go really kill people because no good health care. Not be generous when you go when paracetamol no go day. Now you say me, now una know they put more effort. Una they close fine, it's good to close border, but also these people need all these things to survive. And they see countries when we say they go drop food, they drop all these things for their people. I bet Mona see they drop once in a while. Mona still find other countries that they give their citizen money as a 1 day lockdown, so that they go still hold them. Because if they know they go for they go where they want to eat. I be hunger will start to kill people again during the virus as hunger don't fed day before. I bet Mona do one like that. Mona create more awareness for this thing. This virus is real. Virus is real. This coronavirus is real. I beg. Mona try to make sure say people know about that. People where they doubt her, may they still know. I beg. And also Mona still provide to how to test people, because they see some people when they say that they even when they get the sign, the symptoms of this virus, that they say may they go house, may they go do self isolation. Even when they don't get that, when they don't even find out say that they're positive, no isolation place to put them, no treatment center. That they drive some people, they go house. Even some people go even call the hotline itself. They know they respond. If people start to die, how una go fit do am? I beg. Mona they respond to people. Mona they respond to people call. Because now we really need una more than any other time. I beg. If people call now, Mona immediately, because immediately if he go back house, is 100% say he go infect another person. Mona creates all these things for people so that they go know. I beg. Now what would they beg now? Now our right as a citizen to get those things. As a citizen, our right to get those things. I beg. Mona do wetin dey right for us. All those isolation camp, all those isolation places. I dey see some money. I dey see so many people they blast the man. They cause the man saying a refugee na this one. But really, when you see truth, you talk. The man really see the truth before he talk those words. Because somebody not go just feel come they curse you like that, or come they insult you like this. Say I will say when this Boko Haram they do all these things, these herdsmen they do all this. Even when we say they rank this herdsmen as in the deadliest, one of the deadliest. One day, our president not address the nation concerning this issue. They always address through Twitter or through one person or the other. How people go tell know say you really care about them? How people go tell know say you really care about them? You get their interest for heart. Other countries, when something happen like this, they come the president they address people to let people know the state, the way the thing be. But no, either na propaganda Now the young thing they cover am. Wetin dey bad if you be say the president dey infected, he can't or he can't tell people, even if say he dey infected or he not dey infected, he can't address the people life. Wetin dey bad concerning that issue? Wetin dey bad? Nothing dey bad. Other countries, their leaders, they infected. Nobody go cause any problem, not be anything. How was our president pull leg? Imagine a few days ago, I hear say Boko Haram kill 40 soldiers. 40 soldiers, and still yet no life address. They no address the nation concerning the issue. Only Twitter. How you say make this family they feel? Really, the thing they surprising. How you say make the family feel? They go feel bad concerning the issue. They go feel bad. Now they don't die. No other countries, when one soldier die, they go pay respect to that soldier. But now this is 40 only for one day. 40, no proper respect, nothing. They'll just bury them through it. Really. When we come on that side about this virus, so now they talk about this pandemic when they happen. My people, they see video of one man. They see the whole when a Juma prayer, here they call him. People not still believe say this virus dey. I bet me they wash your hand wherever you dey. They as in social distancing, distance from people. Always wash your hand. I beg. This virus is real. It dey real. And that I won't talk about. I bet more stay safe. I beg. May God continue to bless us, protect us. Till next time. See you guys. Bye bye.